Here we go. Looks intense out there.
I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe. I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe.
Beautiful day.
It is.
It's a pretty cool atmosphere.
Yeah.
Okay.
A blast from the past.
Yes.
This guy. What did we just find?
I don't know.
Might be the coolest one at the show so far.
I don't know.
Don't know. Maybe. Let's go check it out.
It's pretty cool. It's a big old girl. I don't know what it is with me, these fucking big ass trucks.
I like them
Like
too.
they're too big to fit in the shop.
Yeah.
I love them.
Nobody likes them on the road. They get in trouble all the time. That's cool.
What do we got? Oh, can't see.
You see it sort of facing backwards and the door, it's like so.
I wonder what it is. It's a dog. That's, oh shit. It's a diesel. Boom. Mack truck. Its little brothers are pretty cool too.
Yeah, they're both branded with Cambridge Tire.
Yeah. What's in this bitch? Oh, how the fuck did you shoehorn that in there? God damn, there's not a lot of fucking room. How's his pedals set up? Did he have to go on top of each other? Oh no, fucker's got plenty of foot room. Where the fuck did we go on?
Well, we've got a big like box coming out of here.
Because our motor didn't fit, but the board's in that box.
Well, what is this? It's a Ford.
Yeah. It's pretty cool.
Yeah. I like the big one.
They're gas tanks that are converted into storage bins. This is not. It's on a fucking wheels.
Should bring church pews and sell them at a swap meet like this.
Yeah.
People might be into some.
How much for these?
25.
25?
Yeah. I've got your number.
25 bucks for the pair.
For 302?
Yeah, they're a little sweaty, but look what I found. More parts. Maybe we gotta stop buying parts and cars, because I think that's all we've been doing is buying parts and cars and going to car shows. Probably start building some stuff, right?
Sounds like a good idea.
Like everybody's asking all the time, like, what's going on at TriXster? What are you guys doing at TriXster?
We've been shopping.
We've been shopping, we've been going to car shows, we've been buying some fucking headlights. But yeah, we got a ton of fucking cars we gotta do. We're gonna try to build some cars out in a fucking church. We're gonna try to get some cars in the church. So we got ramps, they're like quarter built. I'll build the rest of the ramps and then we can definitely shoot this and put this on our channel.
What are you doing?
Fucking winning me a chair. Love this chair. Hold these on. I bought a bunch of tickets to try to win a Barber chair. I think it's coming up now.
We're rushing to go catch
I
the
really
draw.
want a fucking Barber chair.
It's really cool.
Come on. Come on. All I need is a little luck. Little luck. Fucking white Barber chair is gonna look so good in the office. Ooh. A bunch of other shit too I don't care about. Maybe we'll give it away on our channel, the other crap. I just want the chair. And look at how many people are around our truck. It's crazy. I don't know if you can see. People sure do love that little tow truck. This one looks so good.
Yeah.
Office.
You gonna make it off road here or what?
We're following it to the draw.
Draw one too.
There we go. Looks intense out there. Who's gonna take that and put that in their master bedroom?
Come on.
I hope you don't win, Aaron. I hope you don't win.
Jam
I hope
tickets
your
in there,
kid
though.
wins. 1, 3, 6, 3, 6, 5.
Yeah. He's not here.
Are you kidding?
You ain't gonna get that home in the coop, young
How
man.
are you gonna take that home?
We're gonna win.
Congratulations, Bill.
See ya.
Thank you. Have a good night, guys.
So we have to figure out how to get our car out of here. A lot of people have taken off, but we're parked close to the band, so all their cars are kind of blocking the road now. But we got the trailer over here. Now it's time to push the hot rod.
Okay, we're all loaded back up. There's the trailer. So see you next year. What was this thing called again?
Jalopy Jamup.
See you next year, Jalopy Jamup. Next year we'll have a freaking car that runs, so we don't gotta drag it in a trailer. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Say bye, Diesel. See ya. He's had the roughest
Exhausted.
day ever. Peace.